This is code.org. Run the program and observe the outcome. Oh no, the world's ending. All right, so we have Leo here and their friend Akira. So let's see. We need to then instantiate the missing painter object. Now I can go to help and double check what instantiation is. Since we know, hopefully, or we're gonna know, instantiation is to create a new object. So here we have the painter class. Nope, we have the student class. We need to use the painter class. We are creating a new object of student type. We are then letting the computer know this new object's name is Laura, the variable name. We can put Fred, we can put XYZ here. Regardless, that's the name of the variable Laura. And it's going to be equal to a new and run the constructor for the student constructor. So all of that's a fancy way of saying now we have a new student Laura. We don't want a new student Laura. We want a new painter Leo. So I'm going to control V this, and which means I just copied and pasted that. Now this isn't going to work, right? We don't have a student. I need a painter and painter. So this is still going to be real broken. So that's great. We have Leo covered, but there's another painter name down here, Akira. Now I could either put Akira right here, or I can also just put Akira here. And remember, capitalization is super important. This is looking good. So now they should have the functionality they need. Boom and boom. Yeah, we have done it. Onward.